Now we come to examination irregularities. As much as we try to minimize, and we were successful in minimizing our exposure and hence the number of irregularities we used to experience there before, we still had a few cases of irregularities. There were a total of 4,113 candidates who were reported to have been involved in examination irregularities in the year 2023 KCSE examination. We have cancelled results of 4 cases of reported impersonation after completing investigations. The results of the remaining 4,109 candidates who were suspected to have engaged in examination irregularities have also been withheld pending the completion of investigations in their cases within a period of 20 days from today. The Council is empowered in law as provided in the Kenya National Examination Council handling of examination irregularities, rules of 2015, legal notice number 132 of 2015, rule 8 to withhold the results of any candidate or examination center suspected to have been involved in an examination irregularity or malpractice pending the completion of investigations. It is unfortunate that a few contracted professionals are still insistent on ruining the future of our runners by subjecting them to examination malpractices. 120 contracted professionals were reported to have been involved in aiding examination malpractices. Firm disciplinary action will be taken against such teachers. The ministry has now set up the National Examination Appeals Tribunal. My chairman and the members of the Education Committee will remember that we had an engagement in this and undertook to ensure that we evaluate the members, which we have done in line with Section 40B 2 of the NEG Act 2012. I therefore urge any Kenyan aggrieved by any process of the Council to seek redress through the tribunal.